Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol INO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action standpoint, but you look down there at the volume, well above average volume. Unfortunately, a whole lot of bearishness out there, but that's also what brings about a very interesting setup going forward. Because, yeah, to set up the context here, there was the gap down. And then after the gap down, the price just continued to, bounce or, consider get hammered. A little bit of a bounce right there. Then came back down and started to go sideways again. Now, don't get me wrong, and I really wish I could say trading was this easy. Just because the price finally started to go sideways a little bit does not mean that for sure guaranteed this is, the bottom. But my point here is it's at least a valid and rational thought to be thinking, all right, maybe this is finally starting to bottom out right here at 14.50. I mean, the price, you can see here essentially all afternoon long, right there bounced and just went right above that level. Now that might just be a little breath before another plunge to the downside. So that's why risk management and, risk protocols are so important. But it could also be the sign that maybe the bulls are getting ready to show back up and make a move to the upside. So 1450 going to be that first key level of support, again, for no fancy reasoning other than the fact that that's just where the price stopped going down today and started to go sideways. In the event, though, 1450 does not quite hold up. As you can see here, that would be putting the price at levels that have not been seen for a very long time. But after 1450, next key overall level would be down there right around, that makes it easy, about $1 away at 1350. But let's zoom back in here, because in the event the price actually does start to get a bit of a bounce, where some of these key levels of resistance at? First area of resistance on any sort of attempted bounce, going to be right up here at $15. And then after the $15 mark, next key level of resistance to keep a very close eye on would be right up there around the 1575 mark. So keep an eye on those levels moving forward. But as of now, things are looking shaky. But from a trading standpoint, it's an interesting setup, assuming, of course, you can, honor stop losses and all that good stuff. But let's see what happens with it on Wednesday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.